Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be doing this video right now. Sorry if I keep looking up too. I got a new camera, so I'm adjusting to it. But I got my Young Living starter kit in the mail today and it was perfect timing. Today was a stressful day. Like, I had a lot of work meetings, just a lot going on. So perfect timing that I got this in the mail, and I really want to open it up immediately with you guys because I want to get this set up. I want to get the oils placed around my house and I want to get diffusing them, and I can't do that until I show you guys what I got. I will start off by saying, if you don't know what Young Living is, it is a program that you can join. It's such a good community. I'm realizing that already, only a couple days in, that the women in this community are so empowering, and I just feel like it's just gonna be awesome, and I'm just so excited to start this journey. And the reason that I picked Young Living, because their products are completely toxic free and they have a seed to seal promise, which basically says that they plant everything themselves. It is like completely organic. I did a lot of research. I definitely wanted to check first if this is something that I really wanted to commit to, and I am so excited to officially do it. Like, I can't wait. So getting into the starter kits. To become a part of the Young Living community, you have to buy a starter kit, and there are multiple options of starter kits and you can pick which one that you want. I picked the one with the Desert Mist diffuser, and I will get into that, but you have to buy this starter kit. And once you get the starter kit, then you get everything for like 24% off. So it is way cheaper if you become a member than if you don't become a member. Now, when you buy a starter kit, a lot of people think, oh, now I'm gonna have to be like one of those people that message people and I'm gonna be really annoying. And you don't have to do that. You don't have to get into the business side of things. You could buy a starter kit, get into Young Living oils, and not tell anyone about it. Like, it's completely up to you. My natural instinct is to always share things with you guys that I love, things that work for me, and just things that I feel passionate about. So maybe that will lead me to that, I don't know. But bottom line, I really just wanted to get into like this toxic free living. It's so crazy when you look at how many chemicals are actually in things that we use every day. Especially dryer sheets are the #1 item in our homes that have thousands of chemicals in them. It's mind-blowing. So I'm not going to just like go and purge all the items in my house, but I will tell you that when something runs out, I'm gonna turn to Young Living and I'm switching over everything to them, because they have essential oils, they have even food, they have cleaning products, like they have a whole baby line. Like, it is amazing, and I'm just so excited. So let's get into the starter kit. When you get the starter kit, it comes in this beautiful box, and this is, fun fact, the makers of Apple, that when you get like an Apple iPhone and you get that white, like really nice box, it's the same people. So comes in a box just like that. It has the Seed to Seal Promise logo on there. So super pretty. You have 10 oils as soon as you open up the box, and I will get into these in a second, but there's also a packet in the inside of the lid that tell you what all of those oils are, how you can use them, what they do for you, literally every detail about that oil. I won't go into like too much depth because I don't want this video to be like really long, and if you want to know more about the oils, just let me know and I can make a separate video. But you get Peppermint Vitality, Lemon Vitality, Thieves Vitality, Citrus Fresh Vitality, and Diagize Vitality. So the whole top row is Vitality oils, and the difference with Vitality and the regular logo is Vitality means that you can digest it. So like the lemon, I'm totally going to be putting some lemon in my water, and there's other ones, like I'm going to be ordering one that's basil and you can cook with it. So the Vitality just means that you can digest it. And then the bottom is Raven, Valor, Panaway, Lavender, and Frankincense, and I am, oh my god, I'm just so excited to like put these around the house and start using them. Peppermint, I love. If you suffer from headaches, peppermint is so good. I diffuse this in the morning just because it like energizes and wakes you up. And if you put some on the back of your neck and your temples, it will help your headache tremendously. Like, I love peppermint. That is without a doubt my favorite oil. Lemon, which like I said is basically like pure lemon juice, and I smelled it and holy crap, it really is like lemon juice. It's so strong, but it's so good. Thieves is good for immune support, so if you feel like you're getting sick or something, you can diffuse this. Citrus Fresh, I'm excited to diffuse this one in the mornings to kind of, again, wake me up and energize me. And then Diagize, this is a very potent smell. A lot of people don't like the smell of this. I actually don't mind it, but people don't recommend that you diffuse Diagize because of the smell. It's more for like a stomach ache. So recently I've actually been having like bad cramps and stomach aches, so I will rub a little bit of this like on my lower stomach, like my abdomen, and it's supposed to help with stomach ache, so I'm excited about that. Raven is really good for if you are somebody who has like trouble breathing, or even if you're like sniffly or allergies. You can mix this with a little bit of coconut oil just to kind of like dumb it down a little bit, and I will rub some of this like on Aunt's chest, and this will help to just open up your airways. You can also put a couple drops in your shower and just like breathe it in, and it's supposed to help with breathing in general. So this will be really good if you have like allergies or again asthma, breathing issues, anything like that. Valor, and this I'm hearing is like everyone's favorite oil. Now obviously I've never used it before. I'm not 100% sure what typically it's good for, but I feel like it's good for everything the way that people describe it, that it just has such a good purpose. So I'm really excited to try this, and I will be using this one in the diffuser. Panaway is basically like your icy hot in an oil. So I actually have one of these, and I'm super glad that I get another one in the starter kit because I am someone who suffers from migraines and headaches really easily, and this is just like icy hot. So if you put a little bit of this on the back of your neck, it will tingle and feel so good. It like relieves your headaches. You can put it on your temples, anywhere that you're sore. So even if you don't get headaches, if your muscles are sore, put a little bit of this on somewhere that you're sore, and holy crap, it feels so good. And then we have Lavender. I feel like everybody knows Lavender because it is probably one of their most popular oils, and it smells exactly like lavender. It is so calming. I will use this one and I'll diffuse it at night. Anytime that you're kind of just like winding down for the day, this is a good one to diffuse. Today I was like really nervous just because I had a lot going on and I was getting very anxious, and I would literally just like pop off the lid and just take a few deep breaths breathing this in, and it's just good, a very good calming oil. Frankincense, this one I'm super excited for. A lot of women use this one in their skincare routine, so I'm planning on mixing this one with my face moisturizer, and it smells really, really nice. And this is actually really expensive if you look at it, like if you buy it separately. So I'm so happy that it comes in the starter kit because I feel like this is definitely going to be a staple oil for me. So that's all the ones on the top. And then when you open it up, which obviously don't forget to do this, because when you can open this up and you have like a whole nother hidden compartment under here. So what comes in here, I got 2 more oils, which I was like pleasantly surprised because I thought the starter kit only came with like 1 hidden oil underneath, but mine came with 2, not complaining. So the 2 that it came with is Peace and Calming and Stress Away. So these are obviously really, really good oils for just like exactly what they say. If you're really stressed, I hear that this one literally helps so much to either diffuse, rub it in your hands, breathe it in, just to like take a deep breath of this, and it smells really nice. So I'm so excited to have this one because with this whole COVID-19 stuff going on, like I've just been super stressed. And then the Peace and Calming, I am so excited to diffuse this one at night just for exactly that, just to help with sleep and keep us calm. And both of those oils came with a little roller, which I'm really excited to have because I don't have any of these, and I will put this on my Panaway. So again, when I have a headache, I can just roll it on the back of my neck and it'll be a lot easier to use something like this. And it also comes with Ningxia Red. It comes with 2 of these individual packets, which I have not tried yet. I'm gonna pop them right in the fridge. And then these are really, really good boosts of antioxidants. So it's like a good boost of energy, and just like there are so many antioxidants that your body needs that we're not getting every day. So I feel like this is just perfect, and apparently it tastes really, really good. You get 2 thieves cleaners, which I'm so excited to try, and like I said before, I'm ditching all of my cleaning products when they run out, and I will be replacing them with these products. So I have a Thieves Spray, and this I believe is just like their cleaner. Spray on any surface in your home or office. But you do get a little hand sanitizer, which is perfect because I actually really need one of these in my purse. I'm like running out of hand sanitizer. So waterless hand sanitizer. So that is all the products itself that come in the starter kit, and then you get to pick your diffuser that you want, and I picked the Desert Mist, which I feel like is their most popular one besides the Aria. And then I'm actually placing an order for the White Lantern, which I'm so excited. If you've seen the White Lantern diffuser, it's so pretty. It's literally just that, a white lantern, and it's so pretty. And I will be placing that in my ER order. So if you don't know, again, about the Young Living, you can become a member for the Essential Rewards, and then you place a monthly order. So I will be doing something like that, and every month ordering new products, and then you get like points back for it. So it's like a reward system. So it's perfect for what I'm looking to do. That's everything that comes in the starter kit. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new out of it. I'm so excited to start this journey and excited to bring you guys along on this journey with me and share my experiences of how it's going. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you definitely do that, because that is something that I'm at every day. I post there every day, and if I have a new blend or I find something that I like, I will definitely be posting it there first. So make sure you follow me over on Instagram. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!